appreciate being here. My association with ALEC has been about 5 years, and I can say that this is clearly the highest female to male ratio of any breakout I've ever been in, and appreciate all of you being here. Like ALEC, Boehringer Ingelheim is a conservative company that's been around a long time, 124 years. And we find ourselves in an interesting position of encouraging research in all types of diseases, and in particularly in women's sexual diseases. We thought it would be a great opportunity to come to ALEC and talk about the disparity between men and women's health research, and we thought we'd bring together, and I am very honored to moderate, an outstanding panel of both researchers and legislators who are experts in the field. To my right is Dr. Cheryl Kingsberg, who I've had the pleasure of hearing previously, and she is an expert on women's health. She lives in Cleveland, Ohio, is associated with Case Western. She is the president of the International Society for the Study of Women's Sexual Health. She is an authority on menopause and sexuality, sexual aversion disorder, and infertility. Dr. Kingsberg's main research interests are in sexual medicine and the psychological aspects of fertility and menopause. To her right is Dr. Susan Kellogg-Spatt. Both you might have seen recently in media reports, Today Show, New York Times Magazine this past weekend. Dr. Kellogg-Spatt is from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, associated with Drexel University, and she is also a member of the International Society of Study on Women's Sexual Health. She is featured a columnist and author of more than 50 articles and 10 books, chapters on women's health and sexuality. Sorry to go to the notes so much. To her right is Representative Pearl Burris-Floyd from the 110th District of North Carolina. It's a pleasure to have you. She is the internationally registered cancer detection specialist. She went to the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, the School of Medicine and Cytology, and she is also very active in ALEC as well. So that's great to have here. And then also we have Representative Linda Upmeyer, who is the co-chair of ALEC's Health and Human Services Task Force, serving the 12th District of the Iowa House of Representatives, and is a member of the Iowa Nurse Practitioners Society and the American Academy of Nurse Practitioners. So you've served two of the four most thankless jobs: nursing, legislating, parenting, and teaching.
3 out of 4, actually.
Okay. Well, I thank all of you, and I think this will be a very exciting, a very educational, and possibly arousing conversation for this afternoon. So thank you for coming. Dr. Kingsberg.